Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Chaudhry Mahmood Anwar. Today I'm going to tell you that how to search the high quality journals in European Reference Index for the Humanities and Social Sciences. This is an upgraded form of ERIC that was established by European Science Foundation and was transferred back in 2014 to Norwegian Centre for Research Data (NST), and now NST is responsible of maintaining the ERIH Plus, which is considered as high quality reference index to find the good journals throughout the Europe, Russia, and some other countries. So this is the website of ERIH Plus. Okay, so this is the website of for ERIH Plus. You can see the latest news, ERIH Plus criteria to select the journal. You can create your own account by clicking on register as new user. You can fill up this form and click on register. But for now, I will only tell you how to search ERIH Plus. Well, for instance, you want to search a journal. You will just type the name of journal here. I've mentioned Academy of Management Journal. Here are the filters. If you want to filter a journal based on the ERIH Plus disciplines, these are the ERIH Plus disciplines, or based on the OECD classification, then you can activate these filters. But currently, I'm not using these filters. So I will simply click search. Here various journals appears having the name Academy or Management or Journal. So this is the journal I searched for, Academy of Management Journal. I will simply click this journal name. So here's the information, Academy of Management Journal. This is basic information about journal. This is the evaluation, and this is the open access status. So the name of the journal is Academy of Management Journal. It's print ISSN. And when the journal started publication in 1963, it's electronic ISSN. Its language, country of publication, its URL, publisher, and its status with ERIH Plus, and its active journal. I mean, currently it is covered by ERIH Plus. Evaluation. This journal was approved on 1/3/2016 according to ERIH Plus criteria for inclusion. And ERIH Plus discipline for Academy of Management Journal is psychology, and OECD classification is also psychology, and it's a peer-reviewed journal. Open access, its Sherpa Romeo color is green, and it's not indexed by Dodge. Similarly, you can also search a journal by just typing its ISSN number. For instance, I'll type this, press enter. Well, so this is the ISSN of International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences. I'll click the title of the journal. So this is the basic information Journal title: International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences (IJMS). Electronic ISSN, and the journal was started in 2012. Language is English. Country of publication is United States. URL is ijms.com. Publisher is IJMS, and status of the journal with ERIH Plus is currently active, mean it's covered by ERIH Plus. Evaluation: This journal was approved on 12/1/2015 according to ERIH Plus criteria for inclusion. ERIH Plus disciplines are business and management and economics, and OECD classification is economics and business. And its peer review status is peer reviewed. It's a peer reviewed journal. So open access status is Sherpa Romeo. It's a Sherpa Romeo blue colored journal, and Dodge, no, it's not indexed by Dodge. So this is how you can search the indexed journals just by typing the name of journal or the ISSN or any other keyword according to your field. Now I'll tell you about the ERIH Plus criteria for inclusion. What is the criteria followed by ERIH Plus editorial team to include the journals on the ERIH Plus index? So I'll click this. Here you can see that only scientific periodicals journals may be included in ERIH Plus. The journal must have a publishing history of 2 years, and the minimum criteria for inclusion is ERIH Plus requires an explicit description of the journal's procedures for external independent peer review. ERIH Plus requires that members of the academic and editorial board are listed along with their affiliations with universities or other independent research institutions. ERIH 3 requires a valid ISSN code confirmed by International ISSN portal. ERIH Plus requires that all original articles are accompanied by abstracts in English and/or another international language relevant for the field. As the ERIH Plus team needs access to the abstracts in order to evaluate the journal, they should be available online. It is not sufficient that the journal's author submission guidelines refer to abstracts. ERIH Plus requires information on author affiliation for all scholarly articles for the last 2 years of publication. ERIH Plus requires that no more than 2/3 of the authors published in the journal are from the same institution. The authorship of journals is determined by reviewing the last 2 years of published issues. Now I'll show you what are the approval procedures to get indexed in ERIH Plus. I'll click here. So this is the most important thing to be considered for inclusion in ERIH Plus, that the journal submissions should come from scholars affiliated with universities and other independent research organizations. Journal editors, librarians, and members of scholarly association may submit under a condition that they meet this journal requirement. Submission from commercial publishers will not be considered. Furthermore, multiple submissions from one submitter will not be processed. Submitted journal must have a valid ISSN code, and the discipline should be suggested by the submitter. So this is the stepwise process of ERIH Plus evaluation, how they evaluate the journal. At the first point, they check the validity of ISSN code. Then they evaluate their criteria for inclusion of new journals. I have already explained earlier. Then they check the authorship of the journal. And finally, they evaluate the website of the journal. and check whether journal fulfills the inclusion criteria or not. This is how you can search all the journals indexed in ERIH Plus. ERIH Plus is considered as a high quality index of high quality journals. Thank you very much for watching this video.